All right, this is Charles with West Coast Water Heaters and Plumbing. This is how to ignite your water heater. So what you're gonna do, turn it to pilot. You can see the arrow right here. Turn it, make sure your gas is on. Hold it in, count to at least 30, preferably 60, but one of the two. So yeah, so what it's doing right now is it's filling the chamber down here with gas. So inside of there, it's filling it with gas. So it's going to, the goal would be to help it ignite. Sometimes you still have to press the igniter button quite a few times. So we'll see how fastly it lights though. So this one, what I just did was I just replaced the burner and pilot assembly and the gas control valve. Gas control valve, burner's down there, pilot assembly's in there also. What happened was the pilot light wasn't lighting anymore. And on this one, I mean, it's just a full, it's under warranty, so they just sent the whole shebang. So we just replaced all of it. And the cool part about this is, I mean, this water heater shouldn't have any more issues, and when it does, it's probably going to be tank failure, but that'll be in a few years from now. So that's not any time right now. All right, so we don't have time. So let's go ahead and try to ignite it. So what we're looking for is a flame inside of here. I think I hear it. So what we're gonna do though, so here's the igniter button, by the way. So you push in here, and you just click. So what you're doing is you're waiting for that thermostat to light up. Okay, I think I hear it. Hold on. I had music in my ear. So. All right. If you read the instructions, it actually says you might have to press this button 100 times. So let me see if I can do it a little differently. There we go. All right, guys. So now we're just waiting. Hold that. Push down here. I'll set you guys down for a second. Alright. Let's see if we can look in here. That's how you light your water heater.